Well, here we are. I got my new windshield in for my snow cab, and decided to rig up a windshield wiper on it. This kit's an all stainless steel kit that I'll probably, I don't know, I might sell it. But it's all stainless steel, and this is how she works. I think it's pretty good. If you were to go to original cab company, you would buy this for right around retail around $180. I can probably put these together for right around $90. So what I've done is I've mocked up right here. This is where the top of the cab rim would go. It would actually go down over this right here, and I might end up putting a little bit better wiper in there, a little bit higher quality. But I'm just experimenting, so that's part of the grocery list complete. Tell me what you think about it. See ya. Okay, got my engine back from the motor shop. We had to go 20 thousandths over on bore. You can see there's a nice crosshatch in the cylinder now. He ground the valves. He's seen no as good of valves as these were in, and checked out, mic'd out. He's seen no reason to replace those. He did, however, replace the valve guides. He got in here and he replaced this. He had to go down inside here. This is a 9/16 bolt, and it holds the flywheel on, and I had broke this off. He seems to think that's a hard bolt. He seems to think that that was something was weak on that it broke. Could have got rusted, could have been bottomed out. He checks the depth on this one, and he had to remove that bolt. I'd also put some nicks on the end here. Got a little overzealous with Sluggo. He replaced, he cleaned that up for me. He mic'd all the surfaces, all the crank surfaces, main bearings, rod where the rods hit, and everything. All those are perfect. No war. They're not wore a bit, which means that I'm going to be replacing all the bearings on that. So basically, we'll go pistons, rings. We'll go main bearings. We'll go cam bearings. Cam, everything mic'd out. Everything was real good to specs. Go a complete gasket set kit. We'll go a new oil pump. But we're going to get out of it a little cheaper. After he looked at all this, the motor will be perfect with all the tensions on everything. He feels that as good a compression as I had on this thing. When I checked the compression, I had 130 psi. Definitely where the problem was the cylinders, and it was from being run without an air cleaner or without an air filter in there. As dirty and greasy as this tractor was, I can see why it kind of adds up. We'll get that done, and we'll order a kit here over the weekend, or actually tomorrow, and I'll order a kit. We're going to get out about probably $400 cheaper than I had figured because all the surfaces are so good, and don't have to replace all those valve parts. Lifters, everything checks out. He had some lifters out of a brand new kit, and he checked did a lot of work on miking surfaces and checking everything, gave me his full opinion, and doesn't see to where any of these parts are wore real bad, so that's good news. So he charged me for everything, boring everything, regrinding the valve, replacing the valve guides, resurfacing the heads, taking that bowl out, straightening this up, going down there and boring that out, retapping that, making sure everything was good. Charged me $200, which I thought was very fair. So that's good. We'll get this thing back together here. It'll be coming up, and won't have to go quite as deep as I thought. But yeah, this is Turkey Day. Thought I'd spend a little time out in the garage. I showed you my windshield earlier, and just goofing around, puttering around out here. You guys have a real good Thanksgiving, and Duke signing off. Bye.